Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making tomato potato stir fry, a simple, tangy and spicy dish that's bursting with flavor.
Just look at that. Glossy, bright and so appetizing. You won't believe how good this tastes with plain rice.
Alright, let's get started.
First, grab one tomato and score a little crust on the bottom. Pour over some hot water and let it soak for a bit. This makes it super easy to peel. Next, slice a potato. Try to keep the slices nice and even, not too thick. Then cut the chili peppers into small pieces. If you don't like spicy, use mild green peppers instead. Once the tomato skin loosens, peel it off and chop it into small chunks. For aromatics, we will need some chopped scallions and minced garlic.
Now let's cook.
Heat some oil in the wok and add the potato slices. Stir fry until they are just cooked through and slightly golden on the edges. That's where the flavor starts. Take them out and set aside. Add a bit more oil to the wok. Then toss in the tomatoes. Once they start breaking down, add the scallions and garlic. Stir until the tomatoes turn into saucy paste. Now add the potatoes back in, along with the chili peppers. Season with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 2 teaspoons sugar. Stir everything together until it looks thick and glossy. Right before it's done, drizzle 1 tablespoon of Chinese vinegar around the edge of the wok. Not for the sourness, but for that beautiful vinegar aroma that lifts the whole dish. Give it one last toss, and we are ready to plate. Look at that! Fragrant, colorful, and slightly sticky from the tomato sauce. The sourness and spice together just make you want to grab a bowl of rice immediately. It's completely vegetarian, but honestly, it tastes better than meat.
Let me give it a try. Wow, it's so flavorful. A little sour, a little spicy, and the potatoes are perfectly soft. If you ever don't know what to cook for dinner, just make this dish. Trust me, it's simple, comforting, and incredibly delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.